Hi guys, today is July 5th and obviously we were out for July 4th, so I am kind of dragging today. I really wanted to be able to get my room picked up prior to the holiday weekend and stuff, and it just did not happen. And I'm kind of just feeling like lazy and unmotivated, so I'm gonna basically force myself to just kind of slowly put stuff away, do like my monthly reset, and kind of go from there. I want to be able to come Monday and Tuesday come in here and actually be able to be creative. So I'm going to take a couple hours today and just, again, I'm not going to focus on how long it takes me. I'm not focusing on anything specific. I kind of already worked over here the other day. I'm just going to go find some stuff to watch and listen to on YouTube and just put things away and see where it goes. And I will kind of bring you guys in for some updates on kind of where I'm at. I want to do my monthly sort of reset of wiping things down, vacuuming, taking trash out, that kind of thing. So yeah, that's what I'm going to end up doing today, and I'll take you guys along with me.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. like you were already mine. Surreal to me how you make me feel wild and calm at the same time. Never felt so alive. Thought I was crazy until I reached out and saw your hand there waiting for mine, like the stars had all aligned. I lay beside today, tonight, your vibe, desire, our eyes on fire. And I breathe your aura, cannot leave your aura. You have me like gravity. You don't have to try it, it's just like a magnet. You have me like gravity.
Alright, it's been a couple days later. Just wanted to kind of update you guys that everything pretty much has been wiped down, dusted, kind of taken care of. I do try to make sure and do things like my printers, my monitors behind there, just where kind of cat hair and dust sort of likes to collect. Just ran the vacuum real quick and just kind of did, again, just a quick kind of reset. Now normally I would like to do this at the end of the month, get myself kind of prepped for any challenges in the upcoming month, video scheduling, things like that. I'm right now just kind of having a hard time getting into a routine because there's basically no point right now. So I kind of just need daily life to get back to normal. So got my Creating with Collection, the Easter themed kit just kind of hanging out here. I am behind on the Allison Davis 6x6 sketch bundle class group project type thing, so number 5 is sitting in there that I want to go ahead and try to work on, maybe start it today. I labeled and put a bunch of stamps and die cuts in envelopes. Swung by my local store and bought more because I needed them, but then again, I did make sure to pick things. I took my daughter with me and we picked things that we both would use. And then I let her, the store has a whole wall for doodle pops from Doodlebug, and I thought for sure she was going to pick a rainbow or a unicorn if she could find one, and I said, you know, pick whichever one you want. You can have one, take it home, make a bookmark or something. She picked this one. Which I think it's cute. So I'm going to keep it in here until she kind of figures out what she's got going on. And then I've got a couple more stuff that I need to go ahead. I've got the label printed out, but I need to order the bigger. These are the regular Avriel stamp pockets. I buy them, you can get a 3-pack, which basically I think it's 3 packs of 25 or 3 packs of 50 on Amazon. And these, I don't know where my trimmer is. They're about like 5, a little more than 5 1/4 by a little over 7. I ended up marking my trimmer so that I don't have to keep measuring the inserts because I cut a bunch of inserts today. So I like to put stamp sets with the matching die on the back. Some of the Simon stuff I keep it because I like their envelope because it usually has an image of it. But I need to order the big ones for like the taller, like, I don't know, I guess they would be like 6 by 8, so that I can go ahead and put these away. And then I'm not going to, just as a tip to you guys, if you print out labels, like, don't throw the whole sheet away. Just the next time you go into your Word document, basically count how many labels down and just start typing new ones from here. So yeah, so pretty much I took care of some organizing stuff that I needed to get taken care of. Did a basic cleaning and resetting of my room. I'm going to sit down here and kind of do some, I need to respond to some comments on YouTube. I need to delete things that I use when I edit my videos, and once the video is posted to YouTube and everything's good, there's no audio issues, I need to go through and delete voiceovers and video clips and just kind of try to keep this not as like cluttered as the rest of my life, I guess is where I'm going. But yeah, so pretty much just wanted to catch up, let you guys know. You guys would have seen me kind of cleaning sort of this area. So I like to post these just as like a motivation for you guys, just to, I don't know, don't feel bad about your mess. Just I mean, stuff is still pretty much messy. I'm not focused on specific areas, more of like an overhaul. So just kind of wipe things down, get yourself set up for another month, and especially the area that you work at. Maybe even just focus on the area that you work at and focus on maybe putting away a pile of stuff. So for me, it was a pile of stamps that needed to be labeled and dealt with. So I hope you guys find these motivating, and I will catch you in another video soon. Bye!